Here's another short sermon for you. Yeah.
This is not about you, dude!
It's not?
Although God trusts all of us with vision, we never own that vision. Ephesians 3 verse 1-3 explains that we are stewards of God's grace and that we are allowed to comprehend it. Bragging about the grace of God and the work that God does through me is like bragging about a rental car. For me, thinking about this was simultaneously uplifting and humbling. It's humbling because I realized that separate from Christ, I have really not achieved anything. I don't own anything. We can't even take credit for our thoughts and ideas because, as we read in the above passage, we were merely allowed to comprehend it. It's uplifting because I then realize that God trusts me with what is His. We have received our talents as gifts, but only to act as trustees of God's many-sided grace, as 1 Peter 4 verse 10 teaches us. Success is never owned, only rented, and the rent is due every day. Let's all challenge ourselves and aspire to be good stewards of what God entrusts us with. Go and read 2 John 1 verse 8 and allow the Holy Spirit to minister to you. Be a good steward.